Daily English Stories.
English made simple.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome back. I am Mike, and I am feeling very cozy today. I have my tea, I have my sweater, and I am ready to talk.
I love that, Mike. And I am Lisa. Today's episode is special because we are looking at two words that cause a lot of brain fog for English learners. We are talking about hear versus listen.
Oh, that is a big one. It is like the difference between seeing a car and actually watching where it is going.
Exactly. And if you are listening to this right now and you feel like you sometimes hear English, but you don't understand it, please know that you are not alone. You are not broken. Learning a language is a process.
It really is. We are here to make English made simple for you.
I love that. Mike, I want to start with a question for our friends at home. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone is talking and your brain just stops? You can hear their voice, you can hear the sounds, but the meaning is gone. It's just noise.
That happens to me even in my own language when I am tired. It feels like your ears are open, but your mind is closed.
Right. It feels a little bit embarrassing, doesn't it? But today, we are going to fix that with a story about a girl named Emily and her very wise music teacher.
I love this story. So let's imagine Emily. She is 10 years old, and she is sitting at a big black piano. She's been practicing the same song for 3 hours.
3 hours? Wow, she is very dedicated. That is a lot of focus.
She is, but she's also very frustrated. She's hitting the keys, clink, clank, clink. She's playing the notes correctly, but it sounds empty.
Wait, Mike, what do you mean by empty? If she's playing the right notes, isn't that good?
Well, that's the thing. Her teacher, Mrs. Gable, was sitting in the corner of the room. Mrs. Gable is very old, very kind, and she has very big glasses. She was watching Emily.
I can imagine her. A very patient teacher.
Exactly. Mrs. Gable walked over and put her hand on Emily's shoulder. She said, "Emily, dear, I can hear the piano, but I can't hear the music."
Oh, that is deep. What did Emily say?
Emily was confused. She said, "But Mrs. Gable, I am playing the notes. Can't you hear them?" And Mrs. Gable smiled and said, "I hear them, but you aren't listening to them."
Stop right there, Mike. This is our first big vocabulary moment. Hear versus listen. Can we explain this simply for our friends?
Of course. To hear is a passive action. It is something your ears do automatically. You hear the wind, you hear a dog barking, you hear the traffic outside. You don't have to try. The sound just enters your head.
Right. It's like background noise. Like when I am at a cafe and I hear people talking, but I am not interested in their conversation. I just hear the sound of voices.
Exactly. But to listen is an active action. It requires effort. It requires your attention.
Ah, attention. That is a great word. It means you're giving your mental energy to something. You are focusing.
Yes. So, Mrs. Gable told Emily to close her eyes. She told her to stop hearing the keys and start listening to the story the music was trying to tell.
I love that. It's like when you are learning English. Sometimes you hear the words and they are just sounds. But when you listen, you are looking for the meaning.
Exactly. Emily closed her eyes. She sat very still. At first, all she could hear was the clock on the wall. Tick, tick, tick. That was just noise.
Wait, is noise different from sound?
Good question, Lisa. Usually, noise is something we don't want to hear. It's annoying or loud. A sound can be anything. The sound of a violin is beautiful. The noise of a construction site is not.
Got it. So Emily hears the noise of the clock. What happens next?
Mrs. Gable whispered, "Listen to the space between the notes." Emily started to play again, but this time she wasn't just hitting keys. She was listening to how the sound faded away. She was listening to the rhythm.
Oh, rhythm. That is a word we use in music and in language. English has a rhythm too, doesn't it?
It really does. Some words are long, some are short, some are loud, some are quiet. When you listen to the rhythm of English, it becomes much easier to understand.
That is so true. I think many learners get stressed because they try to hear every single letter, but if you listen to the rhythm, the meaning starts to come out.
You are so right, Lisa. Emily realized that when she just heard the notes, she was bored. But when she listened to the music, she felt happy. She felt the emotion.
So, did she get better at the piano?
She became incredible because she stopped fighting the sound and started paying attention.
Paying attention. That's a phrase we use all the time. It means you are spending your focus on someone or something.
Yes, it's like money. You only have a certain amount of attention, so you have to choose where to spend it.
I love that analogy. Mike, let's talk about our listeners for a second. If they are walking in the park right now or washing the dishes, they might be hearing our voices in the background.
That's okay. Even hearing English helps your brain get used to the sounds. But if you stop for a second and listen to a specific sentence we say, that is when you learn the vocabulary.
Exactly. It's about being intentional. That's another B1 word for you. Intentional means doing something on purpose.
Yes, Mrs. Gable taught Emily to be an intentional listener. She told her, "Emily, if you listen to the world will talk to you."
That is so beautiful. I feel like we should all try to be more like Emily.
Me too. I think sometimes we are so busy with distractions. A distraction is something that takes your attention away, like your phone buzzing while you are trying to study.
Oh, I hate distractions. They make me lose my focus.
Focus is our best friend. When you focus, you are listening. When you are distracted, you're just hearing.
This is such a great lesson, Mike. I think we have some really powerful words today. Should we take a little word tour and look at them again calmly?
I would love to. Let's slow down and look at our 10 key words for today.
Perfect. Word number 1 is hear. This is passive. You don't try to do it. Example, I can hear the rain on the window.
Word number 2 is listen. This is active. You do it on purpose. Example, I like to listen to podcasts to improve my English.
Word number 3 is sound. This is any vibration your ears pick up. Example, the sound of her voice is very calm.
Word number 4 is noise. This is usually a sound that is loud or not pleasant. Example, there is too much noise in this busy restaurant.
Word number 5 is attention. This is your mental energy. Example, please give me your full attention for 1 minute.
Word number 6 is focus. This is when you put all your attention on one thing. Example, it is hard to focus when I am hungry.
Word number 7 is distraction. This is something that stops you from focusing. Example, my cat is a big distraction when I am working at home.
Word number 8 is rhythm. This is the pattern of sounds. Example, I love the rhythm of this song.
Word number 9 is meaning. This is the idea or the message. Example, I don't know the meaning of this difficult word.
And word number 10 is intentional, doing something on purpose. Example, I am making an intentional effort to speak English every day.
Those are such useful words, Mike. Thank you for sharing the story of Emily and Mrs. Gable. It really helps to see how listening is a skill we can practice, just like the piano.
It really is. And remember, friends, if you are listening to this and you don't understand every word, don't worry. You are already doing the work. You are training your ears and your mind.
You are doing a great job. We are very proud of you. Before we go, we have a little question for you to answer in the comments.
Yes, our question is, when you are studying English, what is your biggest distraction? Is it your phone, your family, or maybe your delicious snacks?
For me, it is definitely my phone. I have to put it in another room to focus.
Me too, Lisa, me too. Well, thank you all for joining us today on our cozy English journey.
We hope this helped you feel more confident. Remember, English made simple is our goal for you.
Learn English one story at a time.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend who is learning English too. We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!